Okie dokie. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Rigatoni Al Baffo. To start with, you want to heat approximately 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat, and then add 1 shallot that you have minced up nicely. You'll want to cook this, stirring constantly for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, after a couple of minutes, you want to add roughly 2 cloves of garlic, and you want to cook this for 1 minute more. Okay, then you want to add a 28-ounce can of tomato puree. Then you want to add a 1/4 cup of water to the can, swish it around a little bit, and you want to try to get that residue off the can, the tomato puree that's still inside the can. And then you want to grab about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then you want to add them in. And then you want to take 8 ounces of diced ham, and you want to add this. And then you want to simmer this for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. By the way, you should be getting the water for your pasta on now. Like I said, just stir that around and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now last couple of ingredients. A 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and 3/4 cup of heavy cream. And then you just want to stir this around and let this simmer again an additional 10 minutes or so. So just stir that around, get a nice little creamy tomato sauce going on here. Should look a little bit something like this. And again, you want to simmer this for about 10 minutes. Okay, got our rigatoni cooked and drained. And now we're just going to add the sauce into the pot. And then just give this a good stir around and make sure all your noodles are coated. And then we'll be ready for serving. All right, let's move on to that. Okie dokie. As you can see, we got our bowl here. Ladle some of our Rigatoni Al Baffo into our bowl. And like I said, at this point, everything I'm doing is optional. But I think we need just a bit more cheese, so we're just going to give this a little bit of a dusting of the old Parmesan cheese. Or you can use Parmigiano Reggiano or whatever cheese you like, but I'm kind of partial to the Parmesan. So just give it a good dusting, and that's it. Rigatoni Al Baffo. Done.